guys, welcome to my YouTube channel today. And today, I got this alarm clock from my local TJ Maxx. So, let's get started opening. Let's start opening this up. So, while I open this violently, how did your guys' day go? Let me know in the comments down there. Let me know in the comments. Anyways, I'm almost done. I just gotta open this up. Okay, I got the thing out. Looks like an actual controller I can actually play with, but it actually isn't. That's just a Liberty Mutual ad, if you ask. Pick this off. Okay. Now let's plug this in. Let's take the camera. Let's plug this bad boy in. So, I don't know how I'm gonna put this in. I don't know how. Crap. All right, travel time. Let's go upstairs and get the block we personally need. Let's do it. No blocks in here. And let's go into this one. Oh. I'm the searching eagle. Searching for a power block. Trying to search for a power block, but I can't. Because I can't seem to even find one. But I found this. That's special. No, this one won't fit. So we're gonna use like another one I could possibly use. Oh, crap, there is one. I found the block. I found my block. Let's go back down in the working ways. Whoa, whoa, wow, wow. Okay, let's go back downstairs. Aww. Okay, plugging this block in. Block in. Bring my adapter in. Then we'll just grab this and hook it on. And no, it's this way. And here is! Yep, this is the actual clock. All these different types of buttons. But this is really it. We can't push the joints though, but we can push these buttons. We can't push these two. We can push all of these and these two buttons, but we can't push all of these two buttons. And look, this part lights up. So, yeah, this is really it for the clock. So, yeah, and thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. I guess we'll see you sometime tomorrow. Bye. Well, I guess that's it. Bye. Guess I'll see you tomorrow then. I don't know. Just whenever.